algae. By the time you see the telltale green either on the wall of your pool or on the water, millions of these single-celled plants are already growing. Luckily, Frog Leap All-Out 90-Day Algae Preventative can help you outsmart it. Just follow this process. Turn your pool pump on, and while working to remove the algae, keep it running all the time, 24 hours a day, until the algae problem is solved. Next, add Frog Leap All Out. It's designed to dispense through the Frog Leap infuser. 2 bottles will cure algae in pools up to 15,000 gallons, 4 bottles for up to 30,000 gallons. Wait 24 hours and use a chlorine shock. You'll want to raise the free chlorine level to between 3 and 5 ppm. Be sure to monitor the total alkalinity and pH levels regularly and keep the pH in a tighter range than normal, between 7.2 and 7.8. The Frog Water Care app can help with that. Download it for free at your app store. Lastly, you'll need to brush the sides and bottom of the pool and vacuum at least twice a day until the algae is gone. If you have the option, bypass the filter and vacuum pool to waste. If not, you should clean or backwash the filter of dead algae each time you brush or vacuum. If algae persists, have your dealer test your water for high cyanuric acid levels that could be reducing your chlorine's effectiveness against algae. The good news? It's way easier to keep your pool algae-free than to fight it. Let's talk about algae prevention for a minute. The keys are this. 1. Maintain the proper pH range of 7.2 to 7.8 at all times. 2. Make sure your Frog Leap Anti-Bac Mineral Pack is no older than 6 months and replace your Frog Leap Torpedo Pack when empty so your chlorine level stays between 0.5 and 1.0 ppm. 3. Check your pump, skimmer, and filter regularly. Make sure there are no blockages and clean or backwash the filter regularly. Also, be sure to keep leaves and bugs out of the pool. Organic matter can feed algae growth. 4. Fertilizers feed algae too, so be sure to limit the use of fertilizer on lawn near the pool. 5. After a rain or after heavy pool use, be sure to add a shock to the water. Finally, use Frog Leap All Out every 3 months. As a preventative, you only need 1 bottle per 15,000 gallons. Best of all, Frog Leap All Out is guaranteed to keep your pool algae-free for 90 days. Frog Leap All Out also comes in a convenient pool opening kit called Frog Leap Pool Wake Up and a closing kit called Frog Leap Pool Hibernation. Learn more at frogproducts.com. No more algae, no more ew. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.